Hi everyone, I'm Jovana Stević, an actress and managing director or producer at Japaneses Serbian Film Festival. Okay, my favorite project is Serbian TV series called Legacy or Upice Moga Oca, and I'm playing a journalist there. The most demanding one is Srce Zločina. It's TV series again, but half documentary. And I was playing again journalist Dada Vujasinović, but it was challenging because I had to portray the real person. Dynamic nature of my job means constant learning and facing new challenges, and I find it enjoyable. Movies. Cinema. This is a nostalgic one. I had a crush on, in my younger years, I had a crush on Edward Furlong from the Terminator movie. Now I don't have a crush anymore. Mornings and nights and parties. To sing exceptionally well and to accelerate my business and growth. When I was 6, I fell in love in musician in Dubrovnik hotel restaurant, and I was hiding under the table and I didn't want to leave. So my parents didn't know what to do with me. That was embarrassing. As Schopenhauer said, every person takes the limits of their own field of vision for the limits of the world.